Hi, welcome back. Today I am teaching you how to do stock options again and taking the one strike. Says today I have taken 2800 call option and 2800 put option of a M&M. Okay, and this call option I have done a separate video last day, 2 days back, and I have drawn the imbalances already. And before taking any position in Friday, we have to draw the imbalances of Thursday. And these are all the levels which had happened on Thursday. That's already in the screen. And yesterday we got a buy here at around, after closing this candle, we got a buy. Our delta conditions are fully satisfied. And our delta conditions are down. Please refer to my first two videos. You will get a clear information. Okay, so these imbalances are already there, and there is no need of we can continue with these imbalances for the next day. Okay, so in Friday, this M&M, see our last imbalance area inside that only it has opened. M&M has opened. M&M 2800 call option has opened exactly here and tested the second imbalance, second support. These imbalance areas are support as well as resistance. And this is a real support and resistance. And gone below the support and closed, managed to close above. And this next candle again came down. And this candle has gone down and again closed up. So 9:30 time arrived. There is no buying in this call option. Then we will check what has happened in the put option. And while for doing put option or any option in Friday, we have to draw all the imbalance areas of Thursday. So I will draw the imbalance areas of Thursday. One is here, uh, one is here, okay, and here so many small candles. No, so we have to take all the good levels. On the top, there are selling imbalances. For that, it will take a lot of time. So I am taking only these three. Okay. Then, so this also we will draw the lower level. No? Okay. Then, yeah, these are all the levels. After drawing these levels in the morning itself, then we have to look into for a buy. See the first 5 minutes itself, it has cut closed in green. Our all conditions are satisfied. You know the importance of imbalance. No, it is a great study, extensive study. It is a 1 million worth of knowledge you are getting. I will show you a live example. See, I will show you 1 second. And this is the crude oil 25th March 6200 put option. See, just now only I bought the and these are all the two imbalance levels. And see, this candle has closed above this imbalance level. That means it is a breakout trade. And for that breakout trade also we need volume. But here, the volume increased by three times. Our delta has become green, three times green. and forget about for the time being open interest. It's a big study. I will come to there later. This is max delta, no? 1130. And min delta selling pressure is absolutely nil. So quickly we have to take a position at a 148. See, after that it never comes back. Our stop loss is somewhere here below this imbalance level. And from 147, it has gone up to 169. That is 22 points. I still in profit. And this is the power of imbalance, no? Imbalance charts. But exactly imbalance chart, imbalance. Okay. For showing you a live example only, I have shown you this example. And we will come back to this put option again. And in the call option, we didn't got a buy. Okay. We will buy any option which is trading above open price. These are all well explained in earlier videos. See here, this is a breakout candle with a huge volume, no? 8 times volume from 107,000 to 801,000. We can take that. Two major imbalance levels, it has broken and closed above. So immediately we can go for a buy here at 55, 56, and it has gone up to all the imbalance levels broken 157. 100-point rally. And if you draw the imbalances of earlier days, no, you can see a lot of imbalance areas here. And these are all breakout candles. And we got a buy over here, no, around 56, 57, and it has gone up to 120 level, and thereafter 155. I will not say you will get 155 or not, but 150 you will take 155. This area 143, 44 you can sell it because uh, one candle, two, three. That's enough. Three, four green candles you got no exit. Why holding? And this is what imbalance teach you. So empower yourself and study well and do it your own trade. I am advising you to take a position on this basis, sir. I am not a financial advisor. I am teaching you only. My job is teaching. Okay. Then you know this put option, call option has gone below. We didn't got a buy here. No delta conditions has been satisfied over here also. It's a red candle. No, in a red candles there are we have no buy. We will buy only after closing a green candle and some sort of breakout should be there. Without a breakout, we never enter. And all these conditions should be satisfied. So we will not get a chance to buy call option. So we never go to the opposite side. And even the simple logic, a red candle after no buying, we will not incur loss. This trading is very simple. Don't think it is a big job and all. This is a logic only. And we have to apply our logic, our knowledge, and empower yourself to do trades. Why depending on others? Study yourself. And this is the chart of crude oil, you know. See, this imbalance level closed below. What happened after that? It has gone down 62, 79, 78 to 6206, 72 points. And that is for short sellers. Since we are option buyers, we can buy put option no at this area, in this area. And this put option is still going up. You see, we got a buy over here, no? 148. and it has gone up to 170. 170. You are studying this, no? And it takes some 2, 3 months of extensive study. Then only you will understand all these things. And these are all trade setups, no? These are all trade setups. And I have given the Nifty levels for the day. No, I have made a 3 minutes video today morning. And I have drawn these imbalance areas, no? Imbalance areas. You see? Friday, no? Today. Friday, 9:40. And this is Friday, 9:15 morning candle. It's a green candle. And after that, here there is no buy because no conditions are satisfied over here. And it has gone down. And after closing and breaking this level, no imbalance level, again shorting comes in that area. You see, fresh shorting comes in that area. And in this imbalance area also, fresh shorting comes. And these are all about buying and shorting and short covering, buying, long position, short position. You need to study all these things. There is not other technical indicators we are using. We are applying, analyzing the delta, no? And related elements of delta plus volume. That is why I changed my channel name to Delta Hustle. Okay, you can arrive a lot of conclusions while studying the relationship, no, between all these informations. And we have to consider several other factors. And one by one, slowly, slowly, only we can study this chart. There are several other conditions to be satisfied before making an entry. You see, this candle closed below this imbalance area, and no candle has closed above that. And this candle just exactly went up to the upper range, you know. Even 1 point never gone up, and it came down, closed in green. And after this, again it tried to go up, but failed, and it just touched that lower level, and it came down drastically. And see that this candle high and low, exactly in between this imbalance and this imbalance. You are getting a huge information, a very huge information, which worth several millions, I will say frankly. I have no hesitation to say that. And empower yourself, trade yourself, study these things, and I am with you. Okay? And once again, we will go back and see what has happened to the put option and so on. It has come down. We got a chance here. No? We have to exit here in this green cat. And with a good volume, delta is green, and this max delta is not is white. Okay, it is not green. If it is green, it will go up, but it has not gone up. And this is the perfect candle to exit. The people who knows that will exit, and that is why it came down. This is what you are gaining from us. This knowledge. So try to understand this. Try to study this and see this. After closing the candle only, this imbalance will sustain. Otherwise, it will keep on changing. And now there is a huge volume has been traded over here. Okay. So these are all the things you have to study, and I will come up with more videos in this Saturday and Sunday. No, more informations, more tutorial videos. I will come up with that. Okay. For the time being, goodbye. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my videos. If not, and please share the links no, to your fellow traders and those persons who are actively trading in stock markets. Thank you very much.